To allow location access for an app only while you are using the app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find the required app. As the example, we will try with WhatsApp. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. And then type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Under privacy section, tap permission. Find location. And then tap it. Now select allow only while using the app. With this setting, the selected app, in this case WhatsApp, will only be able to access your location information while you are using the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.